Tracking sub-affiliates and multi-level payouts can be a bit tricky, especially if you're working with multiple levels of partners or a large network. But don't worry, in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First off, you need software that can handle multi-level tracking. The software we'll be using today is perfect for this. It allows you to monitor both direct affiliates and sub-affiliates in a way that's easy to manage. The key to tracking sub-affiliates is understanding the structure of your affiliate network. A good affiliate tracking system will automatically recognize the relationship between you and your sub-affiliates, tracking each click and sale they generate. When you set up your sub-affiliate network, make sure each person gets a unique referral link so that everything they bring in is attributed correctly. Now, when it comes to multi-level payouts, it's essential to set up a tiered system. This means creating payout rules for each level of your affiliate network. Let's say you have level 1 affiliates who are directly underneath you and level 2 affiliates who are sub-affiliates of your level 1 partners. The software will help you set up automatic payments based on each level's performance, ensuring that each affiliate and sub-affiliate gets paid appropriately for the sales they drive. You also want to ensure that your system allows for flexibility in payouts. You may want to pay a higher percentage for level 1 affiliates and a slightly lower percentage for level 2, for example. Some software lets you set different commission structures for different levels, so you can easily track and adjust payouts. As you continue to track your sub-affiliates and payouts, you'll want to make sure your software also offers detailed reporting. This means you'll be able to see the performance of each affiliate, their sub-affiliates, and which level is generating the most sales. The better your reporting, the easier it is to adjust your strategy and increase your earnings. If you want to follow along with exactly what I'm showing you today, I've arranged an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. This software has been tested by me and several others in the industry to track sub-affiliates and multi-level payouts seamlessly, and I'm confident it will work for you too. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Tracking sub-affiliates and multi-level payouts is all about setting up your system with the right software, creating tiered payout structures, and using detailed reports to optimize your network. With the right tools, it's a lot easier to stay on top of all your affiliate relationships and ensure everyone gets paid fairly. Quick revision. First, set up a unique referral system for your sub-affiliates. Second, establish tiered payout levels and commission rules. Lastly, always make sure to monitor your network's performance with detailed reports. And don't forget, I highly recommend you take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below to track your sub-affiliates and multi-level payouts with ease. See you in the next tutorial.